What are you doing? Well, are you saying hi to anyone, or who do you want to say hi to?
I say hi to Mama and Papa.
Oh, anybody else?
Yeah. Hi, Lola. Hi, Papa. Hello. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mommy.
Oh. Lorelai, give him some space.
It's a family. Hello.
What did you do today, Lorelai?
I went to walk, then I back here, and there's Henry. We went to a rest.
Sounds good. I say bye-bye.
Bye. 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 And Papa.